everyone, welcome. Allison here. So today we are going to be making something out of some or one of the things, or I don't know. Well, I kind of do know because I'm going to show you what I kind of come up with, because I was racking my brain on what to do with the cotton. Yeah, I was thinking it was roving, but it's cotton that she sent me. So I was racking my brain. What could I use this for? I mean, I know in my other video, and if you haven't watched it, go back and watch it. It was back on Wednesday. But anyhow, go back and watch that. But I was like, oh, do like a little troll, or something. You could even like do that and put like on cupcakes, or, oh gosh, I didn't even think about it. Like the paper clips, you could even do like a little troll on a paperclip. But anyhow, so I wanted to do something a little different, like out of its norm, I guess is the word for it. So let me show you what I come up with, and then I will show you how I did it. This. So I made this card. Yes, I used the cotton that Pam sent me, and I made a card. Pretty cool, right? And then the embossing folder, right here, this was sent to me as a rack by Stephanie. So Stephanie, yay, thank you for sending this to me. Totally come in handy. And I thought those colors totally fit. All right, so I've got more to say at the end of this video, but what I'm going to do right now is speed through it. Otherwise, it'll just take forever. And I don't want that. So stick with me, watch the whole video, and then I'll see y'all at the end. Okay? Okay, you guys, there you go. What do you think? So, this time I decided to put the pink up here. I used a little more green rather than the pink. And then we got a little bit of the yellow. So, yay. What do you think? Do you guys like it? Holla! Alright, so here's the thing. I'm going to give these away. Well, this one. This was my... If you notice, this one, okay. And I'm sure I put everything down below. But this piece right here that I put the cotton on is 5 1/4 by 4 inches. So it's 4 inches by 5 1/4. This one, I left it at 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. And it's cute that way too, but I do prefer kind of that white border. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. But anyhow, I'm going to give this one away. So, you can let me know if you want a sentiment on the inside, you know, or if you want another sentiment added to it, you know, because I've got stamps and that, so you have to let me know if you guys want, you know, a sentiment on the front and in the back. If you want it to be like happy birthday or happy anniversary or, you know, with sympathy or feel better or whatever, because this could seriously be for any of those. Or if you just want it completely blank and then y'all just do it yourself. So, you need to put down in the comments cotton on what you thought was cool or liked or what, I don't know. You don't even have to do that. Just use the word cotton. Okay? So, yeah. If you want to win this card, leave a comment with the word cotton in it. Alright? I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I didn't speed it through. I just kind of played the music, but I thought it would be better if I just kind of played it slow. Or not slow, but at regular speed. You know what I'm saying. So y'all can understand. But look at that glitter. And what's cool is it doesn't rub off. Like, right? So it doesn't shake off. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think down below. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Please share my videos, you guys. I would totally appreciate it. I've been kind of stuck at 1,800 subscribers for like ever. Yeah, I would like to hit 2,000 because I'd like to give a really big giveaway. So yeah, help me out. I need, you know, my watch hours have completely dropped. So yeah, if you guys enjoy my videos, you know, hit that thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, you know, do all that great stuff to help me out. All right. Hey, don't forget, I have a Facebook group. I do a giveaway once a month. So, you know, just say and join me. Hey, if you want to see, I don't know, I guess previews of what it is that I'm doing, join my Instagram, join my Facebook group. You will see them. All right. Okay. I love y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on Monday. Love ya. Bye.